Installing an M.2 backplane and M.2 drive. Insert the M.2 drive into the M.2 backplane at an angle. Note: some M.2 backplanes support two identical M.2 drives. If you are installing two drives, insert them both before sliding the retainer forward. Push in the other end of the M.2 drive until the notch catches on the lip of the retainer. Slide the retainer toward the connector to secure the M.2 drive. Installing an M.2 backplane. Align the guide pins on the system board. Insert the backplane into the system board connector.